Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check goals on the Monster Legend application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different islands, you can check your masters, and you can find different buttons. In this game you have any goals, the daily goals and the big goals, and if you want to check that, just go to the left side of the screen, click to the paper icon, and you can check your recommended goals. And if you want to check that, click to the go button, and if you unlock at a level, you can check the daily goals and you can reach that. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.